This set of variable data types is different no matter what programming language you're coming from. Compared to Java, there's actually a lot more options. And by the way, in Python, you don't even define what type of your variables that you're going to use. In C++, you have to. So this list is actually really, really important for all of you, no matter what you had other than C++. So notice the difference between your int and anything you see as unsigned. Unsigned means it's going to be a positive number from 0 to whatever. All it does is it shifts over from the normal integer, which can go to negative values to a positive value. It just shifts it over so I can have a little bit more space to it. So that's unsigned for it. Short is also another nice one. Again, remember that we're supposed to be selecting our data types carefully so that we don't have anybody take advantage of a mistake that we make. So if somebody's IQ as high as IQ is 200, we want to use short and not integer. So you have to really look over all of these to really kind of make sure that you decide on the right variable for any possible testing that we're going to do to try to exploit any oopses that you may have chose on the wrong type of, well, data type. Go figure, type of type. There is character, which is a single letter, compared to a string, which is, oh, there it is right there, where a string can even have spaces and other dashes in there, numbers in it. We'll go over strings here in a little bit. Boolean is still the same, except for it is spelled as bool in C++. So yeah, there's a lot going on here when it comes to a lot of different types that you can use.